Hi everyone, welcome to week 11. I'm planning on a quieter video today without as much dog commentary. We'll see how that goes. In this video I want to do some triads that we're not going to roll anymore, so we'll practice singing them first, kind of get them in your hair, in your head or in your mind, and then we will practice dictating them without a roll, even the inversions. I think you can do it. I know you can do it. So then I want to do a melodic dictation and some sight singing. So that's what I have planned for today. So let's start by singing one of each triad quality. And normally I do that in C, but let's just move it around so that you don't start to associate those things only with C major. So here's a key. Sing a major triad in this key, starting here on Do. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. And sing an augmented triad based on the same Do. Ready? Go. Do, mi, si, mi, do. And here's Do again. Sing a minor triad in root position based on that Do. Ready? Go. Do, me, sol, me, do. My sol kind of popped out a little bit out of tune. I'm going to warm my voice up alongside you today. I haven't really been singing or talking very much yet. And let's try minor one more time. Ready? Go. Do, me, sol, me, do. Find T and sing a diminished triad. So T first. T. And a diminished triad in root position. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, re, ti. And back to Do. Sing a diminished triad starting on Do with those syllables starting on Do. Ready? Go. Do, me, se, me, do. And sing a major triad in root position again. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. And now let's sing a major triad in first inversion. I won't play anything to cue you for that. Just find me and sing first inversion major. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do, sol, mi. Remember to feel really connected to your breath by thinking of this like inside squeeze and stretch at the same time. Not squeeze here, but maybe squeezing more like this. You can even put your hands here on your diaphragm if you want to feel that kind of internal movement happening. But I like this visual of like if you had a bungee cord. Sing major first inversion one more time. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do, sol, mi. So it's like one long string. And find sol, sol, sol. I'm going to try to sing up an octave, not in that very low sol, but wherever is comfortable is fine with me. Sol. So second inversion. Ready? Go. Sol, do, mi, do, sol. Right? So there's first and, there's major in root. First inversion. Second inversion. And I've been rolling them this whole time. I'm not going to do that this time. I want us, in our last 2 units of the class, to kind of take away the training wheels with the rolling of the triads. So let's look at minor triads, and let's switch to a different key just for fun. I said something's going to be fun. Minor key. Sing a root position minor triad in that key without me cueing you. Ready? Go. Do, me, sol, me, do. And how about first inversion starting on me, again without a starting pitch. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do, sol, me. Remember to think of squeezing, I hate using that word. Remember to think of stretching that bungee cord as you go up, because you're going to feel it going up and down at the same time. One more time. Ready? Minor first inversion. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do, sol, me. That'll do a better job of helping this and this and this all communicate with each other. So second inversion, starting on sol. I'm going to sing that lower myself, but if you want to sing up there, that's fine. Or down there. Either way. Ready? And sol, do, mi, do, sol. So hopefully that gets each of those in your head. Here's minor and root position. And then first inversion. And then second inversion. Okay, so let's dictate 8 of those, and that's one of each, like our normal kind of round of triads. And I won't roll the inverted ones. So here comes number 1. Here is number 2. Here is number 3. Here is number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. Let's go back to number 1. So here's the first thing I played. Hum it to yourself. Well, try to find the lowest note first. How about that? Hum the lowest note. And sing this one with me, and we'll see if we're in the same inversion. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do, sol, mi. That one is major and first inversion. That might have been a little tricky. I don't know. You'll have to tell me. Number 2 is here. Sing this one with me. Ready? Sing. Do, mi, si, mi, do. So that one is augmented. Number 3 was here. Uh-oh. I'm noticing I did something. I played this. I played this minor triad in second inversion, and that means that I also played that one again later. I didn't mean to. Number 3 should have been this. Sing number 3 with me, and we will just go on from there anyway. But it should have been this, which was, sing it with me, ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Just a minor root position triad. Excuse me for that, I'm sorry. Minor and root position was missing from the list. And I played it as a second inversion triad in a different key, so it should have been this D minor triad. Okay, number 4 was here, and this was correct. Hum the lowest pitch that you hear there. And that might be able to help you hear that pitch relative to the root. Sing this one with me. Ready? Go. Sol, do, mi, do, sol. That one is major in second inversion. Okay. Number 5 was here. Hum that lowest note as well. And I hope that by humming that, it helps reinforce for you which part of the chord is in the bass or in the lowest position. Is it the root, the third, or the fifth? Sing this one with me as well. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do, sol, me. In which case, it's the third of the chord that's in the bass or in the lowest position there. So I think that could be a helpful thing to do as you're initially trying to hear them without the rolled keyboard. And then number 6 is here. Sing this one with me. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, re, ti. That one is diminished. Number 7 was here. Hum that one. Think about what's in the bass there. Ready? Sing. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. So that one's in root position. Major in root position for number 7. Number 8, the one that I doubled up earlier, was here. You may need to sing it up or down an octave, depending on the range for you here. Hum the lowest note. And is that the tonic? That's the question. Sing that one. Ready? Sing. Sol, do, me, do, sol. My voice cracked a little because that's kind of the bottom of my personal register. That one is minor in second inversion, which I mysteriously also played as number 3. I don't know why. So that one would have sol in the bass or in the lowest spot. So let me know how those went. I'm curious, and if you were using some strategy other than hearing the lowest note, then what were you doing to try to hear those ones that are in inversion? I'm really curious, because I suspect that a lot of us have different ways of thinking about it, and the way that you're thinking about it might be helpful for someone else in the class, and it might be different from how I'm articulating it. So please let me know, and I would love to share your strategies. All right, let's move on to some melodic dictation. So I've got one set up for you on your worksheet. It's in the key of D as in Delta minor. Sing into this key with me to get started. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, me, sol, me, do, ti, do. And we're in treble clef in 3/4 time. Notice that you've got a little pickup. So 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, and 1, 2. Take as much time as you need. You'll notice that the theme of our melodic dictations for the first part of this unit, the theme is non-tonic openings with a pickup. So that's why we're starting on sol. I'm going to sing it this time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, do. Jump back and listen to me playing it and me singing it, sing along with me. Do that as many times as you need to for now. And when you're ready, I will show you the answer. So here is that melody in D minor. Let me play it for you once now that you have it in front of you. 1, 2. So in a lot of ways, it's pretty straightforward. There's it's a stepwise motion the whole time until the very, very end. And then I think that kind of implies a 5 going to a 1. So I hope you were able to hear that. And I think it's a challenge to start on 5. We've done that a little bit before, and we're going to do it more in this unit. It's a challenge to start on 5 because we're not reinforcing the tonic in quite the same way that we did at the beginning of the semester or at the beginning of the year. So if you have questions about that one, let me know. Now it's time for Ottman. So I'm going to look at each of the melodies that's on dictation test, or I'm going to look at each of the melodies that's on sight singing test 3. So I'm going to start with 11.2. Now we've done each of these at least once, but I want to have a place where you have all of them together as you prepare for that test this week. So 11.2, by now you probably know that it's in E as in echo flat. Starting here on Do. Let's do this as the quarter note. Re and Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So you might have noticed my conducting got a little messy there. This has a lot of stepwise motion in it, 16th notes, but they're just going up a scale, so I think that you can handle that. I hope that sounds familiar to you and that this isn't the first time that you're practicing these melodies. I don't usually grade you on dynamics, just so you know. Not all of these melodies have a lot of dynamic info. Some have none. So, but if you want to just think of the fortissimo at the beginning of the second system as a way of just like starting it, what's the word, confidently, with a lot of energy, instead of thinking about it being louder. Let's just do it one more time. 1 and 2. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right, so there's 11.2. You'll do that one. Then you will turn the page to 11.12 at the top of page 173. And this one has repeats in it. And we're going to do the first line twice. And we're going to do the second line twice. Make sure you take the repeats. They are not optional. And sometimes that comes up in either the tests or the homework assignments. Yes, I want you to take all the repeats. So, same key, but here's a little refresher. I'll be singing this one octave up from where it's written. Remember, you can always change the key. You just won't be able to practice that key with me on the videos. But it's fine with me if you take it up a step or down a step, or however you need to do it to make it work, displacing the octaves as is necessary. A lot of you have started to do that. Just feel free to do that in a way that will make it sit comfortably in your voice. A little bit faster for 11.12. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sol, sol, mi, do, mi, sol, fa, sol, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, do, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, again, sol, mi, do, mi, sol, fa, sol, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, do, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, ti, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, ti, do. Repeat. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, ti, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, ti, do. You might ask yourself, where am I supposed to breathe in that second line? And the answer is, if you can do it cleanly at a fast enough tempo, you can do it all in one breath, I bet. But if not, breathe in the middle of the phrase. It's fine. I don't want you to take it really, really fast unless you can do that cleanly. I'd rather you take it half as fast as I just took it if that's the best way for you to sing it accurately. Let's move on to the last melody for the test besides the at sight. And it's 11.32 that has these wonderful melodic minor kind of accidentals in it. Accidentals that just hint at melodic minor. Sing this with me. Repeat after me. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol. Do, te, le, sol. Those all get their moment in this. Actually, I think it's really just melodic minor that happens in this. So one more time, right along with me, like that. Ready? Go. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, so let's do this one together. And we're in F sharp minor and we start on sol. So there's our sol. Da, 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 like that fast. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sol, do, re, do, ti, la, ti, sol. Sol, do, re, do, ti, sol. Stop for a moment. Sol, there's the note we were just on. In your head, find me up higher. Sol, and you might need to go sol, do, me. There's our minor 6/4 triad. Sol, me, sol, do, me, sol, me. Oboe. So keep that in mind. We're going to leap from sol, me, like that. Let's do it from the beginning. 1 and 2. Sol, do, re, do, ti, la, ti, sol. Sol, do, re, do, ti, sol. Me, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, sol, ti, do, do. So there's a practice strategy for that leap, and there may be other spots in that are a little tricky, so if so, let me know and I can try to give you some pointers on how to practice them. And that's all I want to do for this video. I'm keeping both videos relatively short this week because we have that sight singing test, and so I will be back momentarily with more dictation practice. Bye for now.